Is your cat getting bored and tearing up everything in sight? I'm Gina with WTI, and my little fur baby Scully is a bit of a rascal and needs to expend a lot of energy. I got her this interactive cat toy from Eve Life, and this is the perfect distraction. This has a ball that rolls around, changes direction, flips around, and it handles going over all the different types of floors that we have out in our rec room where our cat is. Scully loves this because it keeps her engaged. It doesn't do the same repetitive motion over and over. And having the tail with the bells in it and the little sparkly end makes her chase it all over the place. Now, I found that even though she's a kitten, she does prefer the slower mode. I can see the fast mode kind of drives her a little bit crazy, but the slow mode has been perfect for her. I have to charge it every couple days. So what I did was I went ahead and got two of them. That way I can have one that's ready to go all the time, and then the other one is charging up. Scully gives us her little paw of approval. I do too. I think you're going to love this. And that's my point of view.